we are going to start the live demo of MVP to compress the AI model. So here you can see, like, I have set up the software on locally, and I'm going to use the iris dataset and train a model, and I will upload the model.keras file. So here, as you can see, I have downloaded a dataset. All the dataset is downloaded, and after that we have done the training part. After the training, user can easily uh, save the .keras file. Once the model is saved, then they can download it and just come over the software and click on the choose file. And then select your .keras file, which is actually your AI model, and just click on the agree to the terms and conditions and click on the generate equivalent equation, and let's wait. As you can see, we got the generated equation. Now I can use this equation. Where is my cursor? Okay, so I have already copied this generated equation into the Colab notebook. So here Z1, Z2, Z3, three outputs was there in AI model. That's why it generated three equations. Okay, now here I have taken one input. Okay, now this is input, and I am predicting from the AI model. So it is predicting these values, and let me do with the AI generated equivalent equation. So this is here you can see it is just a simple equation which is exactly equivalent to the AI model which has predicted this output. So I'm going to pass same value to this equation. Here as you can see, both are the exactly the same value both had generated. From the equivalent equation, you are getting the same value as the AI model. So here, but in our case of AI equivalent equation, your space, compute power, and are saved, and as well as the accuracy is not compromised at all. Thank you.